I'm gonna make you an offer you can't refuse.
Talking to me? Well, who the hell are you talking to if you ain't talking to me? Want the truth? You can't handle the truth! I'm the king of the world!
Mama always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
They may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom! Yo, Adrian! Yo, Adrian, I did it! Here's Johnny! Are you not entertained?
You mustn't be afraid to dream a little bigger, darling. Your mission, should you choose to accept it.
Toto, I've got a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
2 years ago, I picked up the all-access bundle of Video Express AI, and I've been using it ever since to create content on multiple social media platforms. Today, I'm here to share my honest review, what worked and didn't, and whether this tool is still worth your time and money. But that's not all. I'll also be sharing exactly how much money I've made as an affiliate for Video Express AI, and breaking down what being an affiliate really means in case you're looking to make money online too. I'm also going to break down the latest updates and show you what's changed, because this software has come a long way since I first got it. So stick around because we've got a lot to unpack. Stick around to the end because I got a bonus for you guys. I promise you're gonna love it. All right, let's start with the basics. 2 years ago, I got the all-access bundle of Video Express AI, which included everything from the video generator and image creator to voiceovers and editing tools. I was excited, but also cautious. I mean, there's so many AI tools out there, and I wanted to see if this one really stood out. Fast forward to today, and this software has gone through some major changes. The newer updates are where things really start to stand out, and I've used it extensively for all sorts of projects, especially creating faceless YouTube content. But here's the question, did it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. You've got text to video, image to video, multi-character consistency, AI lip sync and dialogue, multilingual lip sync, timestamp-based video creation, smart edit, first and last frame control, camera zoom and pan from prompt, AI sound effects, AI prompt writing, 800 plus AI voices, a full timeline editor, HD output, and video length increaser features. In other words, this isn't just a basic AI tool anymore, it's becoming a full content creation system. And one thing I'll give Video Express AI credit for right off the bat is how it streamlines my workflow. For simple, quick videos, it's unbeatable. When I first got Video Express AI, it wasn't even one of the most popular tools in the space. But now, it's competing with platforms like Sora, Runway, VO3, and other newer AI video tools that are pushing the industry forward fast. That competition matters because it forced Video Express AI to improve. And in a lot of ways, these newer updates are exactly what help it stay in the game. If you're a beginner or looking to increase your output without sacrificing too much time, this tool is a lifesaver. Also, the bundle is a big win because I don't have to juggle multiple platforms for voiceovers, images, or editing. It's all right there. That alone saved me tons of time, especially when I needed to push content quickly. But like with any tool, there are a few things that didn't sit well with me. While Video Express AI is great for simple projects, I found it a bit lacking for more complex or advanced videos. The customization options just weren't deep enough. Sometimes I had to manually tweak things, which took away from the hands-off promise. And don't get me started on the AI voiceovers. I'll be honest, they didn't quite hit the mark. I found myself switching over to voice clone AI for voiceovers because I just couldn't get that natural tone I was looking for with Video Express AI. And we are on version 3 now. And now, let's get into the part most people really want to know. How much money I made from this software. Over the past 2 years, I've made over $10,000 from just this one software as an affiliate. And the way I promote it is simple. I use YouTube. I show people the potential of the software. I walk them through how to use it, and I create content on other YouTube channels that demonstrate what it can actually do. But to be honest, I've only created one video, and that video paid me just for being helpful to my viewers. That way, people don't just hear me talk about it, they see it in action, and that's what makes the difference. But what does it mean to be an affiliate? Simply put, an affiliate is someone who promotes a product or service and earns a commission every time someone makes a purchase through their unique referral link. It's one of the easiest ways to make passive income, especially if you're already creating content or have an audience. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program like the one Video Express AI offers. You get a custom link, and every time someone buys the software through that link, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can potentially make. For me, I've been using YouTube as my main platform for promotion. I integrate the tool into my content, show people how I use it, and include my affiliate link in the description. Simple, effective, and profitable. And if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend finding tools you already use and love. That way, promoting them feels natural, and you can provide real value to your audience. But the only catch about the affiliate program for this software is, it's only unlocked after you purchase the software. It's almost like a members-only club, I guess. So, after 2 years, what's my overall opinion on Video Express AI? If you're looking for an all-in-one tool that simplifies content creation, especially if you're just getting started, it's still a solid option. But if you're after more advanced features or deep customization, you might want to explore some of the newer tools on the market. As for the affiliate side of things, it's definitely been worth it. I've been able to make consistent earnings just by showing others how I use the tool, and that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. So, is Video Express AI perfect? No. But is it still a valuable part of my content creation toolkit? Absolutely. That's my 2-year review of Video Express AI 3.0. If you're thinking of getting the bundle, I've dropped my affiliate link below for a discount. And if you're on the fence, I'll be doing more reviews on other AI tools that have come out recently, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated. And if you've been using Video Express AI or have tried some of the newer tools, let me know in the comments what's worked for you and what hasn't. The only difference between where you are right now and where you want to be is action. You can keep watching, keep dreaming, and keep telling yourself one day, or you can make today that day and start creating. Action beats perfection every single time. See you on the next one.
I'll be back, motherfucker.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I created the video montage you saw at the beginning, the prompts I used, images generated, and the edits. First, I went to ChatGPT to give me prompts in this exact style: the title, the description as far as the scenery, and the tonality, then the voiceover. So what I did from here, I took this whole entire prompt minus the voiceover part, and I copied it, and I came over to Nano Banana, and I uploaded a reference image of myself, this already here. For this particular scene right here, this is the exact prompt that I used. Me as Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz. But this is what it gave me as far as the results. I gave him my uploaded image, and I gave it the prompt that you've seen right there. And this is what it gave me. So I did it for all these images. Each one and every last one of them. It's cut and paste. It's real simple, and I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description. All right, so once I got these images, I just easily downloaded them to the computer and uploaded all the images to Video Express AI. Go to Images, Upload File, Upload, and that uploaded all my images. Just like that. I'm just showing you the process as far as how I did it. So then go ahead to Create with AI, and then Create Video from Prompt. Go to Use from Library. Where the image is, now pick the image. So make sure you change this to landscape. Click the lip sync. This right here doesn't even matter, nor does this matter right here at all either. Right. Go to Generate Video, and this is when you go back over to that document and then use this right here. Copy that, come back over to Video Express AI, paste it. Right. Then you come over here and you paste it again. I haven't did Fight Club yet, so I'm going to do Fight Club right now live for you. I'm going to show you the whole entire process. Upload the image, choose File. Make sure you don't forget to go back to here and hit Landscape. Let's hit Lip Sync HD, Generate Video. Over here, paste it. What you want to add here, you want to add this additional prompt. You want to add this in here. So, fast, rebellious accent. I don't know if we got to be in brackets or not. I'm going to leave it inside brackets for the meantime, right? But I wanted to see how it performs, and then hit Generate. Right, so while it's generating, I'm going to show you all the prompts that I use for each and every other video that I've actually created. Right, Media the Library. Hit this right here to expand this whole entire timeline. Hit My AI Videos, and it shows you all the videos that I've created with the software. So I'm going to start from the beginning as far as what images that I used for this video. This is the beginning, this is the first one. So when you go to redesign, it shows you the prompt that I used. It shows you everything that I did as well. So I didn't fill out nothing inside the image prompt. I put this inside here as far as in her best Terminator voice. I hit lip sync and generate video. This is the voiceover script, and this is in her best Terminator voiceover. And this is what it gave me first when I put that prompt.
I'll be back, motherfucker.
So you hear that little air crackle inside of this video? I'm going to show you how to get rid of that in a second. This is the next one here. I'm going to go with just a few of these so you can see my exact workflow. So you put redesign. So this is exact prompt that I used for this right here. I actually put this inside of here, but you can see that I didn't really have to use it. So I actually do want her to speak in the Forrest Gump accent. And this, make sure you always have she or he says. Well, in some cases, most cases, because sometimes they give me the my female with a male voice. So just keep that in mind. Prompt right here is what she's going to be saying. Hit create. Oops, I didn't mean to do that, but yeah. All right, let's go back to one more. I was really impressed by a few of these, so I'm going to show you the ones that I was impressed by. Like this one right here. I was impressed by this one.
Want the truth? You can't handle the truth!
So you hear that same air hiss noise? I'm going to show you how to get rid of that in a second, like I said. Going down to redesign, go down here, create video. I put woman screaming, and I put the script line here, and then I put the entire script right there. Boom, that's simple. Let me show you one more I did because I was really impressed with. This one right here. Hit redesign, all right? Okay, woman talking with confidence. So it must have automatically adapted the style of the scenery to give her that tonality that she had. Woman talking with a deep voice and aggressive with confidence. That's what I put in here, and you see the results that it gave me.
Are you not entertained?
All right, so next one here. There was one more, the last one. Oh, here's one right here.
I'm the king of the world!
Hopefully you get the gist of it. Go down to redesign. Woman screaming. That's what I put here. Woman screaming to the top of her lungs. That's what I put, and I put the script right there. All right, let's see. One more. This one right here. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll answer all of your questions. Hit redesign, and just to show you my prompt, right here, talk in a British accent here. And as you can see, talk in a British accent. And for this right here, the language. You mustn't be afraid to dream a little bigger, darling. That right there might have helped out with the fact that I told her to use a British accent, but it came out pretty good. So you can actually download each one of these scenes separately, or you could do like I did. I've actually added all of them to the timeline. Only ones that I actually wanted, I added to the timeline. The ones that I didn't want, I actually deleted them on here. And then after you do that, you go to export video, give it a name, hit create. In 5 to 10 minutes, you go down to my videos, find your video, that's your name, and you download it right there. Okay, after that, you come over to CapCut and you import it to CapCut or your favorite editing software. Now bring it to this scene here.
Always said life was like a box.
Get rid of this audio.
The fucker.
You hear that hiss and noise right there again? So this is what I did. It's out of CapCut, so go to audio, go to enhance voice. Hit that. Go to reduce noise and go to isolate voice, so it keeps the vocals. Because there's no background music, we're going to add our own background music to our scenes. Right, so while that's processing, I'm gonna delete it, because this is the result right here. Let me show you another trick in CapCut. Inside CapCut, when I hit split scenes, after a few seconds, it automatically splits all the scenes up. So that helps me a lot in my workflow. So when you go through the content to cut all your air gaps out, all you do is just chop it, chop it, chop it. Hit B, chop it all up, and cut all your air gaps out of there. That easy. Of course, it didn't have to do that because you are the director. But what you're gonna wanna do is move all your clips around as I did. I actually moved them around based off of how I saw fit. You know, which ones I saw is gonna flow better as far as my video. As you can see, because I'm the director, you know, and you are going to be the director of your content, okay? So the next thing we do here is music time. So for music, I went over to clonevoice.ai and I went now to create music to create my music. I used ChatGPT for the prompts for this music, but this is not a tutorial for it. So we're gonna just keep moving and go and show you which one I picked. All right, so I pulled all my other music to the timeline, but out of all the music that I've actually generated, I found another song that I liked better that, after I did this on YouTube. So go and extract that from the video. Go cut out the front half of it. The front half was not even useful for me in this video. Turn the volume down a little bit.
Darling.
I'm gonna make you an offer you can't refuse.
Your mission.
I'm gonna make him an offer he.
All right, so another thing I did as well, see the volumes? Some of them are orange. Turn the volume up or down on each clip to make them all leveled and balanced, all right? You balance all your audios throughout your whole entire video, all right? So some cases right here, when I went down to, let me show you. As the scene changes, let's say right here on, I go to sound effects and I put park ambience here. I found some park ambience. So for certain scenes, as she is right here talking at the park,
Mama always said
had to turn it down a little bit.
life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
What? All right, so I did this for another scene. Let me see. Because I like to have fun with this. You know, I make it realistic as possible. Let me go ahead and get rid of that one. Here's the next one, another one I had. All right.
I've got a feeling we're not in I've got a
All right, that's not the right sound effects that I wanted. No, that's not the right one. All right, so I need something like this. In this case, spring birds. Where is it? Let me go ahead and favorite that. So this scene right here.
I've got a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
I'll be back.
All right, so I used different scenes right there, and this is the final one. This is the last one here. I just went to wind, and I added the wind sound here for this particular scene. That's how you make it more realistic. This is the Hollywood shit right here.
Little bigger, darling. Your mission, should you choose to accept it.
Toto.
Right, let me throw a thunder. Let's throw a thunder. Let's use lightning in here because I seen lightning in the background. Going to add some thunder in here. Turn it down a bit. So this is the scene.
Should you choose to accept it.
Toto.
All right. I'm just adding an effect right here. Like I said, this is your video. You can do it however you want to do it. I'm going to show you some little tricks that I use in my videos. It's raining. You can add the thunder stuff. Some real thunder effects to the whole entire clip. Go ahead and download.
Your mission.
Right, here we go.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it.
Okay, that was a bit
Got
exaggerated.
a feeling we're not in Kansas.
Yeah, let me see if I can turn it down some. I can turn it down, the color down. Okay, the glow speed of it. Yeah, because it was a bit exaggerated.
Darling. Your mission, should you choose to accept it.
All right, appreciate you for watching.
Toto.
If this is the kind of content you like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.